Pretty fucking sick.
VMP intake going on. Got all this right here. We're gonna take off the stock intake and put on the VMP intake. Apex Predator. Alright y'all, so this is the stock intake that is coming off the car. We got the Kong porta blower right there. And now we're just gonna go ahead and take off the stock intake and we're gonna go ahead and get on the VMP intake, which is right here. Shout out to my guy Ronnie, helping me out. You guys see how dirty the stock intake is? That thing is like clogged. That is dirty as hell, dude.
A little bit. Not the worst of them.
Oh, I believe it.
Some of them are fucking horrible.
Really?
Yeah, I've seen some like black.
Jeez. Guys, I'm so excited to get this on. And then after we get all this knocked out, we're gonna go ahead and get the Kong 108mm throttle body on here as well. This thing is the size of my head, guys. Holy moly. It's off the ring. But yeah, that thing's huge. Literally the size of my head. Holy crap.
For real.
Crazy.
It is.
Gosh. Shout out VMP. Got us some stickers too. Sweet. I also have it's just a receipt. Anything else in this box or just stock parts?
That's just stock stuff now.
Cool.
I just took all this. This is just the other air box here.
Right. So this air box is gonna come out and we're gonna go with the new one, which is right down over here. It says VMP on it.
Come right up. That's it.
Look at all that room. All that room.
This one.
Yeah.
And it like runs like 20 to 30 degrees cooler.
Really?
That's what Whipple recommends. Yeah.
No shit. I had no idea. Yeah, cause
I didn't end up putting any in my car just because I gotta drain it to be able to put some in there.
some people were telling me to get the 180-degree thermostat for my car.
I've heard some
It can
about
like
that too.
really help cool down the engine. So where is the thermostat on this? Do you know?
It's right. I think it's on this side here. It's
Gotcha.
either there or right down.
Would it be easy to swap out? What do you think?
Yeah, usually they are pretty easy.
Okay, cool. You want a sticker? You want it or?
If you don't want it, I'll put it on my toolbox.
Yeah. I don't mind, dude. I don't mind. Shout out VMP Performance. Shout out Beefcake Racing. Huge shout out to Mike. Guys, if you're in the market to get any kind of aftermarket parts for your Ford Mustang, definitely, or any car, whatever it is, hit up Beefcake Racing and shout out to Mike Vise. I don't know if I'm saying his last name right. Mikey V. Check him out. He got me my intake. He got it just in time and everything, so he helped me out big time. So definitely check out Beefcake Racing if you guys need any aftermarket parts. So we just gotta get the rubber parts back on there.
This is just a grommet, and then you put the sensor right in here.
Gotcha. I don't know why, but this looks like bigger than the stock one.
Yeah, I think it is a little bit bigger.
Yeah, I think you got it.
That's it.
Too easy.
I just gotta tighten these up, these fittings here.
No worries. That is the final product, everyone. The VMP cold air intake, finally on. Got the stock throttle body at the moment. Yeah, this is the installation. Huge shout out to Ronnie. And this is the installation video of the VMP cold air intake Apex Predator. Thanks for watching, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.